At LA Spas, we're dedicated to bringing you, our customers, the finest product we can build. So before you step into your spa, we'd like to show you the quality we put into every one of our spas and gazebos. Each gazebo starts with fine pre-selected lumber. We then precision cut it for ease of assembly, ensuring quality construction from the very beginning. Spraying of our stains creates a consistent, even coating and provides a beautiful finish. Once the units are pre-assembled for shipping, they're packaged into custom-designed shipping crates and heat-shrink sealed for the safest transportation available. It's our way of ensuring every unit arrives in original factory condition. Starting with a sheet of specially designed chloride, we uniformly heat it in our oven. Once the engineered temperature has been reached, it is taken from the oven and placed over a spa mold. It is then vacuum formed in the mold into the shape of the desired spa. Once it has cooled, it is lifted out of the mold. A protective wrapping put around it, and it's taken to the next stage of our process. Spa units are placed on specially designed pedestals to ensure total support during our next procedure. Here, fiberglass reinforcement is sprayed over the entire unit and then hand rolled to make sure there is total adhesion with no air bubbles. Why is this important? Because air bubbles could lead to a structural weakness. We further protect our spa by applying reinforcing fiberglass cloth over high stress areas, such as steps within the spas. And again, the hand rolling process makes sure every spa meets our high standards. Framework is custom assembled and assigned for each spa. Wood mounting supports are fiberglassed into each unit. The assigned framework is then attached to these supports, and here is where we go that extra step again. A special resin formula is added to the base of each spa and leveled off to its particular frame height. This ensures that when your spa is filled with water, it is fully supported from its base and frame rather than just hanging from its framework. Structural support, stability, and long life are the winners here. Once dry and the framework removed, holes are cut into the spas for the plumbing fixtures and jets. Notice pilot holes are drilled first to make sure all holes properly line up and the first layer of insulating foam has already been sprayed on. After all the holes have been cut, the spa is moved to the next step, where each hole is inspected for smoothness and the fixtures are installed. Once completed, the assembly is now moved to the plumbing department. Great care is taken to ensure proper fitting and gluing of all the plumbing fixtures to make sure each spa works the way it was designed. With the framework securely reattached, pumps and electrical controls are now installed. We would also like to point out that all of our pumps and electrical controls are pre-tested before they are installed in any unit. Now that everything is plumbed and connected, each unit is filled with water and thoroughly tested before it gets the green light to go on to the next stage. An insulating foam is now sprayed throughout each unit. Special care is made to spray around, not on, all major components. In the event work is ever needed in the future, you won't have to fight the foam to fix the problem. A special insulating wrap is applied to each unit rather than filling it with foam. This not only makes a much lighter unit, it also creates a thermos bottle effect, making temperature control much more efficient. Outside paneling is applied in either wood or an easy care plastic material. A thick layer of ABS heavy-duty sheeting is then applied to the bottom of each unit. This not only helps to seal the entire unit, but it also helps to assure that unwanted pests and varmints don't set up housekeeping inside of your spa. One last flip and the final touches are added. Speakers for units with sound systems are installed now, and the final inspection is made. Once it is determined that everything is working properly and the fit and finish is up to our fine standards, the spas are ready for shipment. With heat shrink protection on the outside and our high standards throughout the inside, your LA spa is now ready to be brought home for years of enjoyment.